Got a new review and wondering if you should respond? In this video, I'll show you why and how to professionally respond to both positive and negative Fiverr reviews. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Responding to reviews shows you are engaged and care about client feedback. It's a powerful reputation management tool. For positive reviews, always respond. Thank the buyer by name and express your appreciation. A simple, "Thank you, buyer name. It was a pleasure working with you," goes a long way. For negative or critical reviews, respond professionally and calmly. Acknowledge their feedback, apologize if necessary, and state your commitment to improvement. Never argue. Your response is public and is seen by future potential buyers. A graceful response to criticism can actually increase trust, showing you handle problems professionally. A crucial pro tip: set up notifications so you know immediately when you get a new review. A quick, grateful response to a positive review makes that buyer feel valued and more likely to return. And just like that, you're actively building a professional and responsive brand image. Responding to reviews is a simple habit with a big impact. Do you respond to every review, or only the negative ones? Let me know your policy in the comments. For a difficult situation, watch our next video on how to remove a negative review on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.